Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that many Filipinos struggle with: the power of saying no. In a culture where saying yes is often expected out of respect, shame, or obligation, learning to say no can actually be a form of strength, self-respect, and emotional freedom. So if you ever felt guilty for setting boundaries, this one's for you. Let's talk about why no is not a bad word, it's a powerful one. 10 signs of the power of saying no in Filipino culture. Number 1, you show self respect. Saying no shows that you value your time, energy, and well being. You're not easily pushed into things that go against your values or limits. Number 2, you set clear boundaries. When you learn to say no, you're teaching others how to treat you and showing that your time and energy are not unlimited. Number 3, you protect your time. Refusing unnecessary obligations help you focus on what truly matters: your goals, priorities, and peace of mind. Number 4, you're not controlled by shame or hiya. You're no longer afraid of being disappointed others or being embarrassed because you choose honesty over blind obedience. Number 5, you experience less burnout and stress. Saying no helps you avoid emotional exhaustion and gives you space to recharge and care for yourself. Number 6, people see the value of your yes. When you don't say yes, it's everything. Your agreements become more meaningful. People respect your choices more. Number 7, you become more firm in your decisions. Refusing something that can reflect strengths of character, it shows that you're not afraid to stand your ground. Number 8, you build more honest relationships. Real relationships grow when people can say no to each other without fear. It creates a deeper trust and understanding. Number 9, you get to know yourself better. Saying no forces you to reflect on what you truly want, what matters to you, and where your personal limits lie. Number 10, you empower others to do the same. You courage to say no because an example, it inspires others, especially younger people, to value themselves and speak up too.